So in this video, now we going to learn how to rename a file by writing code. So suppose now I have some random file. Suppose I will put that dog image, and I will go ahead and download few of them. Go ahead and save as I do through two or three. So I'm going to save it here. So I did this one. Now I will save this as well. And this one we will see that how that we can automatically download, we can pass that name and download it, that we will get from one of my other playlists where we doing that web scraping. There you will get to know how to automate this process as well, that automatically open browser and download and save that all those files. So now I downloaded, say I download one more. So, okay, so now four image I have downloaded. Now if we go it here, this is that path where four images are there. All of them have different name. Now I will go ahead and copy that path. Now I will try to. We can see how we can rename all those files. So first thing for this one, I need to import OS. Okay. So after importing OS, now I will define one function that called def and rename file. Okay. So now I will try to rename that file. I will declare one variable where I equals to 0, and I will let you know why we need that I equals to 0. Now we need to pass that path whatever I have copied now. So I pasted, so whatever where I saved this path, I pasted where we have that image. So now we got that path. We need to now do loop. So for file name in okay, file names in. Now we have that os dot list directory. Okay, and here we need to pass that path where we have that path. Okay. Now what it will do, it will go and do one by one each of those things. So now we need to create that name. What we need to pass that. So name to replace. I created one variable where I will pass that what name I wanted to replace it. So suppose I wanted to pass that name as dog underscore img. Okay. Then I wanted to do suppose plus str of I. Something else I selected. No problem. So str of I. So first time it will go 0 and then I will do that increment so that how many file name are there. So it will going to concatenate with that plus that extension I wanted to add dot jpg. Okay. So now I wanted my name will look like when I will open that dog underscore img 1230 whatever I am going to pass it here dot jpg. So this one is name to replace. Now what is our file name? So file name I created one variable as file name where what I'm going to do, I'm going to store that path. Now plus we need to do double slash, not this one. Okay, double slash, because now we have path still here. So this one we need to pass as double slash plus file name, whatever file name we are getting from here. So this one I will take it. Okay, plus file name, so that we can get that exact name whatever it's here. Just like for this one, if we go dog hyphen 2, we'll get in file name, and then now we need to name to replace. Now already we find that name. Now how we going to do that? So now name to replace, what I will do now, I will do that same way till here, because we need to pass that path what we need to replace, and then with what name we wanted to replace. Okay. So if I go ahead and try to now print for you what it's going to print, now print name to replace and print one more file name. Print file name. Okay. So these two will try to now do that print, and now before going in, let us first going to do plus equals to 1. Okay. And then finally we need to call that rename file. Okay. So now first we'll try to see that how it's going to work. So I will go ahead and run this one. So now if we go ahead and show you, you can see that now first it's going to print that file name, that path, that D drive. This one it's going to replace with this name, whatever name we have concatenated. Yes, my bad. So we concatenated that XNet to replace with dog underscore img and whatever that I value plus dot jpg. That's why it's replacing first one, the dog underscore img 0 dot jpg. Now second file with one, third file with the two, fourth file with that three. So this one how we get to know, okay, this is taking that correct path and it's going to replace it correctly. So now what I can do, I will comment this out. Now we no need more to print those things. Now I need to replace it. So we have that OS, that then rename is one function, that rename. Then what? Oh, no, wait. Rename. Then what we need to pass it here, that file name. First one that old name, and then with what we need to replace it. Okay. So till now we can see it here. It's still same. There are four with random name. Now I will go ahead and run this one. Now see that now it's finished, and if we go ahead and here, now we can see that all of them are renamed automatically whatever format we assign. So it's look far better. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.